Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now. So as you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend. Okay. If we look at the overall trend of the market here, then there is no doubt that this market is under the influence of sellers. And if we look at the particular portion of this chart, or if I just ask you to just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then you can see that yes, market is in downtrend, no doubt, but right now, okay, there is not much selling pressure here. Okay, there is no sharp fall in the market or heavy sell-off in the market. Rather, it looks like a head and shoulder pattern, or you can also say that market is kind of sideways here. To be honest, I'm not a fan of trading chart patterns. Okay, I do not trade on chart patterns, so I'll not be discussing any head and shoulder pattern here. Anyways, if we just focus on the particular portion of this chart, this portion of the chart, then we can still see that yes, market may be in downtrend, but there is a sideways kind of a feeling here. Okay, so things are quite confusing. Okay, if we just look at this particular portion of the chart, because if a market is falling, okay, or if a market is in clean downtrend, then it is very easy for us to trade. Or if a market is in clean uptrend, then it is very easy for us, because trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a choppy market. This market looks like a downtrend market, but here the things are quite complicated. So let's try to understand what is the picture going on in Euro JPY, and then we will be jumping to the strategy. Clear? So we have the trend of overall trend of the market here. Okay, overall trend is clear that it is in downtrend. The present trend looks choppy, means that there is a confusion going on in the market. So the next important thing that we need to find out is area of value. As I have already spoken in hundreds of my videos regarding the importance of area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best buying opportunity is always near the resistance, whereas in a downtrend market, the best selling opportunity is in an uptrend market, the best buying opportunity is always near the support, and whereas in a downtrend market, the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. Okay. So this market is in downtrend, overall trend is downside. So therefore it will be wise for us to look for shorting opportunities only, because see, overall trend is towards the downside. Therefore we cannot ignore the fact that this market has the influence of sellers. So therefore, to be on the safer side, we will mainly look for our area of value on the resistance side. Okay, and you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart. This is line number 1 and this is the line number 2. First of all, let's discuss about this trend line. As you can see that whenever market is going up, it is facing selling pressure from above. Therefore, we can consider this as a valid resistance for the market. And if you do not have this line drawn on your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, because these lines are extremely important for the market. And as you can clearly see, whenever market is trying to go up, the same trend line, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore, our first trading opportunity is this trend line. As you can see here, right now market is just trading here, okay, and it has almost about to reach the trend line. So your duty as a trader will be observe the price at this trend line. When market will be hitting this trend line, just observe the price, just see how the price is reacting. Okay. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, if you see price being rejected from above like this, or if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market here. You can easily short the market at the trend line because you'll get the confirmation that yes, the trend line is a valid resistance. Clear? That is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market crosses this resistance, okay, if market, let's assume that there is a sudden buying pressure in the market and market crosses this resistance. In that scenario, okay, you do not need to go for buy here. I will not recommend the buy here because overall trend is towards the downside and the market does not seem to be in an under the influence of buyers, so buying can be risky. Therefore, I will just recommend you to wait for the market to hit this level, 130.50 level. 130.50 is a strong resistance for the market from the weekly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart once and see how the weekly chart is doing. So this is a weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart is a very important chart because it belongs to the institutional traders, the big players, the big boys. And here you can see that for the past 1 month, okay, almost for the 1 month, 3 weeks, market is struggling. Okay, market is struggling to cross this level, and at the same level 130.50 is not allowing the market to go up. So try to understand the market psychology here. It means that at 130.50 level someone is sitting. Okay, some sellers are present in the 130.50 level and they are not allowing the market to go up. Whenever price is trying to go up, they are just shorting the market. Therefore, you can also short the market at 130.50 level. Okay. If you see price is struggling near the 130.50 level, okay, keep in mind confirmation is always important. So if market crosses this level, okay, observe the price here. If you see price is struggling again near the resistance, price is forming shooting star pattern, price rejection from above, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the big players are still shorting the market here and they will not allow, and you can short the market here. So first of all, your first trading opportunity is here at this trend line if market reverses. Second is here if market reverses from this weekly resistance level. This is your second trading opportunity. And if you go to Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 47% retail traders have taken a short position and 52% retail traders have taken long position. So they are very much confused right now. So, and as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So trade wisely, trade with your proper analysis. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you have understood what you need to do and where you should be taking your position. Okay, and recently I have also started a Pro Trader membership. If you want to become a part of my analysis, then you can be a part of my analysis and download the sample report from here. The report is something like this. Okay, just watch out. If you're interested, then let me know. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.